Hello everyone! Today we're reviewing the KOLEIYA garden fork, a durable and efficient tool for tackling tough gardening tasks, from digging and turning soil to lifting heavy loads. This fork promises to make your life easier. Let's see how it stacks up. The KOLEIYA garden fork is a 45-inch tool featuring a 4-tine forged steel head for exceptional durability and strength. Its tines are designed to resist bending even in compacted or rocky soils. The Y-shaped grip handle provides comfort and better control, while the wooden shaft offers a classic, sturdy design that feels balanced in hand. Now let's talk about its performance. This fork is particularly praised for its ability to handle hard soils and clay with ease. It's versatile enough for digging, aerating, and even moving heavy rocks or debris. The sharp tines penetrate tough ground quickly, making it a reliable choice for challenging garden tasks. Each product has its pros and cons. Let's start with the pros first. Durable construction. The forged steel head ensures long-lasting performance. Effective in tough soils. Works well in compacted clay and rocky terrain. Comfortable grip. Y-shaped handle provides stability and control. Now let's look at the cons. Limited reviews. While feedback is positive, the product lacks a large base of reviews. Heavy for some users. A few users mention that the steel head adds weight, which might not suit everyone. Let's look at what customers have to say about the product. After considering the feedback and customer feedback, we have rated it 4.2 out of 5. Customers appreciate its robust build and efficiency in tough conditions, though a few noted its weight might take some getting used to. The KOLEIYA garden fork is a strong and reliable choice for gardeners dealing with hard soil or heavy-duty tasks. Its durable design and positive user feedback make it a worthwhile addition to any garden shed. What do you think? Is this the tool you've been looking for? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Happy gardening!